Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand dryer and you're getting an ER2 or an ER02 or an F2, basically an error 2 on a Beko dryer. It displays in different ways on different dryers, on different models. But the two error you're sent, wondering what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So this is a real simple error that's real easy to get rid of. Basically, this is a meal dryer, but it's the same. This is a condenser dryer. So when it dries, the water goes into here. And the 2 error basically means that the water tank that collects the water from the dryer is full. So all you need to do to get rid of this 2 error is just you need to empty the water, and you just pull this out, dump the water out into the sink or into the tub or wherever. Now once you empty the water out, you put it back in, and you should be able to fire up your dryer and the error should be gone. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.